Today we are going to learn how to get a golden skin tone effect in Photoshop. First, go to the layer panel. Click on the adjustment layer icon. Click on the gradient map. Click on this gradient map slider. Click on the basic folder. Click on the black and white gradient. Then go to menu bar. Click on the image. Click on apply image. Keep the layer merged. Keep the channel RGB. Keep blending multiply. Keep the opacity 100%. Go back to the layer panel. Click on the adjustment layer icon. Click on hue saturation. Click on the create clipping mask icon. Click the colorize checkbox. Increase the hue 50. Increase the saturation 50. Go back to the layer panel. Click on the adjustment layer icon. Click on the labels. Click on the create clipping mask icon. Now reduce the brightness of the photo. Then hold down the Shift key from the keyboard and select these three layers. Now click the right button on the layer. Click New Group from Layer. Click on the OK button. Go to the layer panel. Click on the layer mask icon. Then go to toolbar. Click on the brush tool. Keep the foreground color black and keep the background color white. Remove the golden color by brushing over the photo background, eyes and dress. Okay, done. Thanks for watching the video.